Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to solve this problem. Notice how the frame is cracked and the lens just pops out. There is the crack. The correct method is to use a soldering iron, heat up the plastic, melt it and weld it back together. Please check out the description for the video on how to do that. But for the remainder of the video I'm going to demonstrate how to use super glue to solve this problem. You'll need a piece of paper, a screwdriver, some rubbing alcohol and just a cloth. I'm first going to start by cleaning the surfaces. I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol. This is not a hand sanitizer. It's got no glycol. It's just alcohol and water. I'm now going to take the alcohol and clean the frame, specifically here where it's broken. I'm also going to clean the side of the lens. Lastly, I'm taking the alcohol and I'm cleaning my fingertips. Our fingertips contain a bit of oil and I've now removed it. I'm going to take my super glue and just put a few drops on the paper here. Now I'm going to seat the lens back into the frame. I am going to be gluing the frame to the frame, but also the frame to the lens. And the reason why I have to do that is super glue is brittle. So if I don't glue the frame to the lens, if you bump this, it's just going to break the little super glue bond. That is why I unfortunately have to glue the frame to the lens. If you want to reuse these lenses, then rather don't do this method. Notice that the lens has a slight ridge over there. What I'm doing is I'm just putting a bit of glue only on that ridge, and it's only a tiny bit. Look how little it is. I'm basically just dotting it here. Don't let the super glue go anywhere else. It's very little glue, just on that edge there. Now, if you're someone who doesn't have good hand control, you can coat the lens with Vaseline or an oil. And the reason why you can do that is because if the super glue drips at all onto the lens, you're going to ghost the lens and it's going to be damaged. So that super glue must not get on the face of the lens at all. So if you're worried that you're going to spill the super glue, just put a little bit of petroleum jelly. And look at that, I'm just putting it there on the edges. And the reason for that is if the glue spills onto the Vaseline, it will not damage the lens. So the super glue is about to dry, so I'm going to move a bit quicker here. I'm just putting it on the edge here only. And not the whole way around, just where the break was. Right, the edge of that lens has been coated with the glue. Now I take the spectacles and I put glue on the inside of the spectacle. Again, I'm just using my screwdriver just to dab the glue into the gap here. And also on this side. A flathead screwdriver is also useful. Don't put too much glue because we don't want the glue to bulge and go on the lens. Last step is just to put glue on the cracked parts. I want to coat where the frame is cracked. You might need a second person here. You just need to hold this open and very carefully take the lens and place it into the frame. Right, so there it is. Now very careful, make sure you do not have any glue on your fingers. And there we go. It's a very quick thing, and I'm now holding this together. Look at that. I've seated the lens. Notice how in the crack, the glue is actually coming out a little bit. That means that it's going to make a good bond. Now compress it. I'm compressing it with my thumb and forefinger. If you put too much glue and you notice it is leaking there, be careful, don't wipe it. If you wipe the glue onto the lens, you run the risk of damaging the lens. The other thing is if you wipe the glue onto the frame, you will also damage the frame. The glue damages this frame. So if you see a little bit of glue coming out where the crack is, just leave it. So in summary, I put a bit of glue on the lens and then I put a bit of glue on the frame on the inside where the lens is going to touch the frame. And then I also put glue here at this crack. Then I put the lens inside and I pressed it tight, compressing it for a few minutes. Then I released it. It is still not dry. I need to leave it in the sun for a few hours. When you're doing this, if you're worried about getting glue on the frame, you can also put the petroleum jelly on the frame so that the glue does not damage the frame. I take a rubbing alcohol and I clean away the petroleum jelly. If you did not use petroleum jelly, then all you need to do is just clean the lens. Right, it was broken over here. This is the line. There's a tiny bit of residue of the glue. There was the crack and there is the repair. There's no glue on the face of that lens. If this is bothering you, you can polish this and then put some silicone spray just to make it shine. All right, and there's the strength test and a flex test. Look at that. Look how I'm deforming it. Look at that. And look at that. A bend test. Look at that. The frame is now repaired. If some of the glue did spill or there was a smear, you can try and polish it once it's dry. If you own a rotary tool, you can use it for polishing. So I've just put this bit on and I'm going to use it to polish the glue off. And I've managed to improve the side here where the glue had spilt. Thanks for watching and cheers.